What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna go pick up my Foxbody from the exhaust shop. So as most of you know, you've seen the video where I installed the BBK headers on my car. Well, I had a few issues with the H-pipe. The H-pipe was leaking up around the flange area. It was bent from the previous owner. Somebody had over tightened it too much. So I just took it up to my buddy's shop and they fixed it for me. So that's where we're headed now. We're gonna go up there and pick the Foxbody up. The owner is a Mustang guy himself. He's got 2 Foxbodies. So we're gonna go up there, check the car out, hang out for a few minutes, and hopefully get to check out some of his Foxbodies. See you in a few. All right guys, so we are up here at Rick's Automotive and Custom Exhaust. Got the car taken care of. Everything works great on it. They got the flange pulled back up tight. I think they actually cut the flange off and welded a new flange on, shifted some stuff around and got everything to seal up. So this is the only place I take my car to get exhaust work. They've been doing this for years. The owner, Rick, you know, he's a Foxbody guy. Matter of fact, I've got to find his Foxbody now. So if you guys are in the local area and you want your Foxbody worked on, you don't know who to take it to, or you don't trust anybody, bring it over here. Right here in Dothan, Alabama. I'll put the address below, put the phone number, put all their information. Rick has owned Foxbodies for as long as I've known him. I've known Rick for probably 20 years, maybe more, 22 years I think. And that's pretty much all he's ever done is Fords, you know, Foxbodies, Mustangs. They used to have a dyno and they used to run a performance shop. They don't do that anymore, but they can order you parts if you want parts. You're in the local area and you just need your Foxbody worked on, or Mustang in general, and you don't know who to trust or who to take it to, check these guys out. You can bring your car in. You can bring your car in. You can get a tune-up. Rick knows all about the base idle reset stuff. He knows all the ins and outs on these Mustangs. These Foxbodies are getting older, guys, and you got to know what you're doing with these things, because you know sensors go bad and you got to know what sensor it is. But yeah, come check Rick out. If you got any questions, you can call. I'll put the phone number down here for you right now. Dwight will take care of you. More than likely, he's the one that's going to answer the phone. They do mufflers, they do service work, do AC work. Now, like I said, they don't really do engine builds anymore, but you know, if you want a set of headers installed or something like that, by all means, they'll take care of you. Let's go inside and check out what they've got. So as you can see, they do muffler work. They've got the new Flowmaster FX mufflers. They got the Flowmaster 1 chambers, the Series 10, big tips, small tips, whatever you got. So it doesn't have to be Mustangs, obviously. The reason why I'm doing this video is because, like I said, I go way back with Rick, and you know, I needed my car worked on, so of course I'm going to give him a shout out. That's just how this works. I trust Rick. If I needed, you know, my car worked on and I couldn't get to it, you know, I take it up here to Rick. He knows these cars inside and out, and to me, there's not many people left that own shops, that own businesses, that know the ins and outs of these cars anymore. So to me, that's a huge benefit. And Dwight is pretty proficient in these Foxbodies too. He knows all about them. He's more of a Chevy guy. We won't hold that against him, but he knows about these Foxbodies too. There has been so many that have come throughout the years with them working on them, running the dyno shop and whatnot. They know them. So like I said, check them out, guys. They will ship exhaust out. The new Flowmaster muffler here, they will ship it out. If you got any questions, just give them a call. Let's see if we can go find that Foxbody. So I told you Rick was a Foxbody guy, and here you go. This is the Heartbreaker. This car has been around for years. Rick has had this car as long as I have known him, and it's still a street car to this day, but he obviously races it a lot. It's got a big block Ford in it. I don't know the details on it. We're not going to go into that today. None of that really matters, but it is a bad boy. I will tell you this, he races 570 with it, so it's a pretty quick car, to say the least. Who better to trust than somebody that owns a Foxbody and has always owned them and has worked on many of them. So, you know, I have a lot of guys ask me, why, you know, can you work on my car? I can't work on your cars. You know, I only do it for friends, and it's usually just light maintenance. Everybody's just kind of out of that era of cars nowadays, you know, so they know all about it. Maybe they can find some little something that most other shops would have overlooked. We're gonna go ahead, get the Foxbody back to the house. Like I said, I just couldn't leave from over here without giving my boys a shout out. They're friends of mine, they deserve it. They've always done me right, and I trust them to work on anything that I've got. All right, so we are back, and man, I am very pleased with the exhaust on this car. So now I can tell you guys about the headers and how good they sound. I absolutely can tell the difference in the way this car sounds with the new BBK headers. I'll go ahead and start it up. You probably won't hear it on camera, but I'll start it up for you just to see. The car is definitely deeper than it was, and it just has more of a raspy sound. I honestly didn't expect it to sound much different, but it's perfect for me because I don't want a car that's too loud, that's obnoxious. But this is really deep. It's really airish, if you know what I mean. It has that airy tone to it. Sounds really good, guys. I'll set the camera back there so you can hear it. We got some nice bluing on the headers, by the way. That's looking really good. Car's idling a little high. These things are funny, you know. You guys might think that I know all the little tricks and stuff to the base idle resets and stuff, but I'm gonna be honest with you, these things still give you trouble from time to time. Now mine wants to idle a little high today. Anyway. All right, guys, we're gonna close this video out for today. Coming up here pretty soon, if you're still listening to this video, we're going to do an LED fog light install and wire it hot. That way you can just turn your LEDs on. So those of you that stay to the end of the video, you know what's coming next. And as always, thanks for watching. Also, I forgot to mention, this was actually Andrew's first job working with Rick back when they had the dyno. He started out sweeping floors and helping out on the dyno, just picking up knowledge as he could. You know, another funny part, I actually took him to his job in the Foxbody that he owns now. Just a funny little backstory.